and welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle. Today we are going to deal with the broom closet as we explore becoming a minimalist, my journey to minimizing my house, purging, cleaning, decluttering, all of that fun stuff. We've actually been in my broom closet before, but as I go along, I realize last time was probably just my first pass at it. Now this time I am better. Becoming a minimalist is almost like a muscle. The more you use it, the better you get at it. And I am finding that maybe last time I thought I could organize things. Now I'm realizing that I actually have to get rid of a few things. And if I haven't used it and it's way up there in the top and I can barely reach it, why am I keeping it? So let's get at it. I'm gonna clean it all out, put it on the counter, look at what I've got, only put back in here what I'm going to use. So there you have it. It is all empty. At the bottom there we just have the bag and the mop and some towels. When I have a pile like this and I'm just unsure of where to start, it's kind of overwhelming. There's too many things. I know, just start with the easy stuff. Low-hanging fruit, no decisions necessary. I know that it will stay, it will go back in the cupboard. And on the other end of the spectrum, what is definitely not going back? So start with your easy decisions first and then whittle your way down to the harder decisions, the ones you're not sure of. Like soap for the dishwasher. We are going to keep this 100%, no questions asked. This must stay. Bleach must stay. We have 2 of these. Can I combine them? We'll put those to the side and we'll put it all in one. Why we have 2 opened, who knows? The SOS pads, stay. Garbage bags, stay. What for sure needs to get out of that closet is all of these masks. Obviously we used to use them every single day. Now we don't use them at all anymore. So it needs to be out of this closet where real estate is precious. It doesn't matter if they get too hot or if they freeze in the winter, they can go somewhere else that's not right in the important part of the house. They can go somewhere else. And another box of masks can go somewhere else. 3 open packages of wipes, not necessary, but we do use them for the dog, for various things. I will put the one on top that we'll use up that one first. When you don't know what is in your closet, that's when you open up 3 packages of the same thing. If it is organized and decluttered and I can see what I have, I would not have opened up 3 of them. Goo gone. We don't use it very often, but you do occasionally have to get goo off something, a sticker residue off something. That goes back in. Some Raid, some bug spray. This is everything that is not going back in that cupboard. This huge box of masks, it does not need to be in our main living area. We don't use those day to day anymore. They can go somewhere else. These 2 floor cleaners, I never ever used them. They've been up there for years. This CLR, we do have very hard water. We're going to combine those. I've got this tool which removes dog hair, but we don't use it. We just use the vacuum. This is empty. This cleaning solution that has been up there, I bet you, for 15 years. I don't like it, never use it. It can be gone. A dusting mitt. In theory, fantastic. In practice, I never use it. So it makes me feel guilty. Get rid of it. We've got 2 empty bottles. They can go. We've got some tops that don't belong to anything. We have another empty shoe spray. This is for a car that we had years ago. Don't need that. And then hand sanitizer. Bought it during the lockdown sort of thing, but in our home, we're not going to use hand sanitizer. We're just going to wash our hands in the sink. So it's got to go. Feels so good to organize that cupboard. It didn't take long at all. Got rid of so much stuff in that small cupboard that will make a huge difference. Now I know what's in there. That's half the battle. Be kind to yourself. Let's have a look at the cupboard. And there you have it. It is a thing of beauty. Organized, looks great. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Follow along for my journey to become a minimalist. Clean my house, purge, organize, declutter, all of that fun stuff. And let me know if you're on your journey to become a minimalist and what you're getting rid of, what you're keeping. Again, sometimes you just have to make a first pass through things, make all of the easy decisions, and then who knows, a month from now, 6 months from now, even a year from now, you can redo it again. Like I said before, becoming a minimalist is like using your muscles. The more you do it, the better at it you become. But we're all on our own journey, so be kind to yourself, and thank you for watching.